Hi, you join us today as we complete our first project for our new client, NRG Riverside. NRG Riverside are the UK's largest fleet hire company for specialist vehicles. They offer a range of long-term and short-term vehicle hires. Why have they chosen to work with Adept Graphics? They wanted to find a provider that offers a sustainable, eco-friendly solution. And that's exactly what we've done with this van wrap. We use a vinyl product that can be fully recycled into a range of products, including children's playground equipment. There's two steps to that process. Firstly, when we do a wrap like this, there's sometimes a bit of wastage. That wastage will go straight away into a specialist bin and get recycled into a product. Secondly, when this beautiful vehicle gets to its end of life or they need to change the livery, we'll take that vinyl off, again, put it into a specialist bucket and take that away to be recycled. So it's the whole idea of having a circular economy. So rather than take, make and throw away, it's take, make and reuse.